cupcakes. You know, they're so cute. They can't have very many calories in them, and they just are so good. And I like to just peel the paper off slowly and enjoy every moment. And it's all good until I drop it or one of the kids gets some frosting on their clothes. And then you've got this on there, and it is hard to remove. But I want to show you how to get off easily today. And we always start by taking off all the excess we can. So I'm going to take just a spoon, because it's a dull straight edge. Use whatever you want as long as it's a dull straight edge. And I'm going to just scrape that frosting off of there like that, so that I have removed as much as I can. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of water, and I'm going to saturate the pants in that water. Then I'm going to take a little bit of laundry detergent, and any laundry detergent that you like is fine. Use whatever you have at home, whether you buy one on sale, whether you have a favorite brand, it's all good. And we're going to start, and I call it working it between my thumbs, because I'm going to work it exactly like this. Now, when I'm done, I'm going to take a look at it and see how it's coming along. Now, the blue frosting I can see is coming out better than that bright pink. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take one of my favorite laundry spotters. Now, I have a few of them in my collection, but this one has enzymes in it. So I'm going to use that on the color. So what I'm going to do is simply spray it on, and I want to let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I would simply walk away. And just set a timer so you remember to come back in the not too distant future. Don't let it dry on the pants. When you're done, flush that. If it's gone, you're done. You can launder as usual and you're set. If it's not, just take some undiluted hydrogen peroxide and spray it on that stain. Let it sit about 15 minutes. Launder as usual, and the stain should be gone, and you should be ready to, well, let's face it, they're kids' clothes, get stains on it again. So everything you need to know about taking out frosting from cupcakes and cakes. I think I'll have a cupcake. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.